This is topic C on page 41, using queries to combine, find, filter, and sort data. Tables provide a variety of tools for performing, searching, sorting, and filtering tasks on an ad hoc basis. However, when you need to perform such tasks repetitively, queries may provide you with a more efficient alternative. Furthermore, you may need to combine data from multiple tables in complex ways beyond the capabilities provided by the datasheet, sort, and filter tools. These are the types of tasks for which queries are well suited. Right. So these are just, again, we're taking a quick look at these different objects here. We will be going through and creating them throughout the course of Access this week. This is just a brief view of it. All right, so queries, they perform a certain action on your data. So let's say I have table inventory here, and I wanted to take the fields product code, department, and supplier ID from this table. But I also wanted to take, if I open up table suppliers, I wanted to be able to see the supplier ID's contact for first name, last name, and their contact email. And I wanted that all in one spot, instead of flipping back and forth between the two tables. The query that they have, an example query here that they have, is doing just that. It takes certain fields from multiple tables and it joins it into one view for you. So I believe this was query product supplier detail. So that's in our navigation pane under queries, and I'm going to double click and it's going to run this query automatically and show you the results. So I double click, I get the tab for query product supplier ID, and you can see it takes those fields and joins them together in one view here. So it took product code, this is actually a different one here, query code, we also have units in stock, reorder level, supplier ID, just had additional fields here, and then from the supplier ID table, depending on the supplier ID, their first name, last name, their contact phone, and contact email. So it just joined the fields from multiple tables together into one view for you. Again, so you don't have to flip back and forth. And another example, you can filter data. So in my table inventory, you'll see this in your activity as well. You can see we have a bunch of product codes that have the PAK prefix. And if I just wanted to display them on my screen, I could run a query that only shows the PAK prefix product codes. They have that created already here for you. Again, through the course, we are going to be creating it ourselves as well. It's kind of like we're going in reverse here. We're taking a look at all the finished products, and then we're going to go back through our different sections and start from scratch on actually how to create them. So our query project packs, I double click to run that. And my new tab here for query project packs, you can see it only displays those specific product code that meets that specific criteria that we would input of that PAK prefix. All right? So your queries, again, they run specific actions on your table data to display different results. All right. Your next video will be activity 110 on page 43.